guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing one of my favorite things, playing with soap. So I'm going to be using the normal Dettol antibacterial bar that I saw on Instagram being used for the National Hand Washing Challenge. And then I'm also going to be trying the Dettol EvenTone Pink Glow Antibacterial Bar. That soap really surprised me. That's the pink one I just used. It really, really surprised me. I've been using only to wash my face for the past few days, and the results have been amazing. So here you're just going to watch me wash my hands for the next 1 hour. Because I mean, what else is there to do in life than to play with soap? Let's hear it best from Funke.
Protect your family by practicing proper hand washing habits, and together we can achieve a cleaner and healthier Naija.
Join the National Hand Washing Challenge. Post a picture or video washing your hands using the hashtags
So this is the Dettol EvenTone Pink Glow Antibacterial Bar. This soap, I was on that underrating the soap. But the soap is awesome, and I've been seeing it in stores. I just never thought to try it until I saw hilarious photos of people trying to take part in the challenge, and I thought, why not? Let's try it. Let's wash our face with it. And to be very, very honest, I am in love with the soap, and I like that the soap has like actual physical. You can see little dots of the apricot extract and all the goodness inside of it. I love it, love it, love it. Congratulations.